Hi, first graders. We are going to do our Unit 3 math test today. So you will need a pencil and your math workbook. Please open your workbook page to 147. So again, you're going to want to get your math workbook page and open it up to page 147. When you do that, go ahead and press play again. I'll wait while you pause and go get those items. Okay, now that you have your items, you are going to go to page 147. And when you're on that page, we are going to start our math test. Now, this is a math test, so please remember, do not ask for help. Try your best. If you don't know, you can guess. All right, problem number 1. It says match each set of partners to a total. So 6 plus 2 equals, which one of these over here? Draw a line from this dot to one of the dots over here, only one line. Okay, pause each time you need to solve the problem. Which one of these set of partners, which one does 9 minus 3 go to? Which one does 3 plus 7 go to over here? Which one does 8 minus 3 go to over here? Again, go ahead and pause, solve all of those 4 problems, and we'll move on to problem number 2. All right, on problem number 2, it says make 3 different math mountains with a total of 6. So here's your total. Your partners that make 6 are going to go down here. Think of tiny tumblers. How many different ways can the tiny tumblers tumble? Again, go ahead and pause to solve. All right, now we're moving on to number 5. On number 5, it says count on to solve. So what that means is there are 8 rakes total. Okay, so there's 8 rakes total. We see 2 rakes right here. The rest are in the shed. How many rakes are in the shed when we have 2 rakes outside the shed? And there's 8 total. Go ahead, pause to solve. Press play when you are all done. All right, we are going to the next page. So turn your page over, and on the back side of this page will be our next problems. Okay, I'll wait just a second while you turn your page over. All right, on this one, it says for problem number 6. Okay, and I would like you to write an equation over here just so I can see your thinking for these problems. So it's going to have you solve them, but I do want you to write the equation over here. It says Maisie has 5 balloons. She gets some more balloons. Now she has 9 balloons. How many balloons did Maisie get? So again, this is a situation equation. It tells you exactly what you need to know, and it will also tell you where the unknown is by using a certain word. And you'll have to decide, is it addition or subtraction? What word helps you figure that out? I'll read the problem one more time. Remember, write the equation over here. Put the unknown answer right here, and then you're going to need to write the label right here, and the label is balloons. Maisie has 5 balloons. 5. She gets some more balloons. Now she has 9 balloons. How many balloons does Maisie get? Go ahead and pause your this video so that you can solve this problem. Our next problem is Han picks 5 apples. Then he picks 3 more apples. How many apples does Han pick? Again, it's a situation equation. It's telling you exactly what you need to do. Write the equation over here, please, so I can see your thinking. Han picks 5 apples. Then he picks 3 more. How many apples does Han pick? Go ahead, pause to solve. Avery has 7 baseballs. Then he gets some more. Now Avery has 10 baseballs. How many baseballs does he get? Situation equation, your label is balls. Okay, I'll read it again. Make sure you're listening. It's telling you exactly what you need to write, and it is giving you the clue to the unknown. Avery has 7 baseballs. Then he gets some more. Now Avery has 10 baseballs. How many baseballs does he get? Go ahead, pause to solve, and we'll move on to the next problem. All right, on 9, 10, 11, and 12, on these problems, you are going to put one of these numbers in each of the missing or the unknown numbers. So 10 minus which one of these numbers equals 2? Write the number that fits there. 4 plus which one of these numbers equals 8? Write the missing number right there. 3 plus an unknown number, one of these, equals 9. Write one of these in that box. 12. 8 minus which one of these numbers equals 3? Write one of these numbers that makes sense in that box. Pause to solve. All right, we're going to turn the page, or not turn the page, but we're going to go to the next page that's on the other side. It says, ring the number that makes the sentence true. Leela has 10 books. She gives 4 books away. So she has 10 books and she gives 4 books away. Now Leela has how many books? Circle the correct number. And please write the equation over here with the box telling me the unknown. I'll read it one more time and then I'll let you pause to solve. Leela has 10 books. She gives 4 books away. Now Leela has which one of these numbers books left? Pause to solve. All right, let's look at this picture problem below. Let's write a story to match it. All right, so you have some fish in a tank. You have some fish in a bag. What story problem could you write to show this? You have some fish here, some fish there. Write a story problem using words. Write the equation. Write the answer to your equation right here. And put your label, which will be fish, right here. So you're writing a story problem using this picture. And you're writing the equation here, the full equation, and your answer, and the label fish right here. Pause to solve. All right, we are going to turn the page again. We are almost done. Hang in there. All right, on problem 15, it says, Marty sees 8 birds at a feeder. There are red birds and blue birds. How many of each colored bird can Marty see? Show 3 correct answers. So again, Marty sees 8 birds at a feeder. There are red birds and blue birds. How many of each colored bird can Marty see? This would be a good time to use a math mountain with the total 8. How many different ways can you show 8? Okay, this says red birds, this says blue birds. Okay, you're working with a partner. You know the total. You can have many different partners to get the total. Pause to solve. All right, problem 16. Read the story problem. Write a subtraction and an addition equation for the story and a math mountain. You need 3 things on this problem. 1, a subtraction story or a subtraction equation. 2, a addition equation, and 3, a math mountain to match your equations. And you're only going to need 1 math mountain, okay, because it will show both equations. So let's read it. Remember, an addition equation, a subtraction equation, and the math mountain. There are 7 leaves on the branch. Then 3 leaves fall off. How many leaves are on the branch now? All right, so they gave us a total. They gave us a partner. We are missing a partner. Write an addition and a subtraction problem or equation for this and make a math mountain. There are 7 leaves on the branch. Then 3 leaves fall off. How many leaves are on the branch now? Pause to solve. Okay, before we move on, I want you to take a look at number 16 again. Did you write an addition problem or equation? Did you write a subtraction equation? Did you write a math mountain? If you did not, if you missed one of these things, go back and do that, please, before we move on. You can go ahead and pause again if you need more time. Okay, turn over onto the next side. We are just, let me see what I got here. We are done. You are all done with your test. Great job, everybody. You need to take a picture of every page. So what I mean by that is I want a picture of every page. So let me get that up for you. So you are going to take a picture of this page. Make it a little bit smaller. Okay, there we go. So you are going to take a picture of this page, nice and big so I can see it. And this page. And this page. And this page. You will have a total of 4 pictures. Put 1 picture on each page of your template and stretch it out nice and big so I can see it. And if some of the problems if you were unable to finish some of the problems, don't worry about it. All right. Thanks again. I hope you did I bet you did a great job. And yeah.